Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make a rainbow with a prism. First, find a dark room or create a dark environment to ensure the best results. Next, position a strong light source, like a flashlight or a projector, so its beam shines directly onto one of the prism's faces. Finally, place a white surface, such as a wall or a piece of paper, a few inches away to capture the spectrum of colors. This setup is crucial for a clear and vibrant rainbow. Now, hold your prism steady in the path of the light beam. The light should enter one flat side and exit another. Begin to slowly rotate and adjust the prism's angle. You'll notice the white light starting to bend and separate. Keep experimenting with the angle until you see the distinct colors of the rainbow appearing on your white surface. Small adjustments can make a big difference in the clarity of your spectrum. To enhance your rainbow, try moving the white surface closer to or further from the prism. This can help sharpen the focus and intensity of the colors. You can also experiment with different light sources. A narrow beam often produces a more defined spectrum. For an even more impressive display, try using 2 or 3 prisms together. Overlapping the light from multiple prisms can create a broader and more vibrant rainbow effect. If your rainbow isn't appearing clearly, first ensure your light source is bright and focused directly on the prism. A clean prism is also essential, as smudges can scatter light and reduce clarity. Remember, the angle of the prism is key, so keep adjusting it slowly. For more great tips and resources, including a book that can truly change how you think about money, check the description below for links and other deals. Keep experimenting to discover the best way to create your perfect spectrum.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.